Most interviews don't go wrong because of a lack of experience. They go wrong because of poor preparation. You need to prepare for common questions. Questions like, tell me about yourself. What are your strengths? Why are you leaving your current role? Now, here's where most people struggle. They don't structure their answers. Use this simple approach to structure your answer. First, start with the context. Set the scene briefly. Second, then explain your action. What did you do specifically? And third, then give the result. What was the outcome? What improved? For example, on a commercial project, we had cost overruns. That's the context or scene. I reviewed supplier contracts and renegotiated rates. That's the action. As a result, we reduced cost by 10%. The result, that's clear, that's structured, and that's easy to follow. Preparation isn't about memorizing answers. It's about knowing how to communicate your experience clearly. Practice this method and you will be ready for any interview.